Oh my god. Have you seen this? Who remembers the Slug House? And how horrible that was. Well, we've now finished the Slug House. So I'm going to give you an updated tour, fully renovated. So here we are outside of the property. We've done work in every room really. Every room, every inch of it has been done. So we've replaced the front door, we've replaced the driveway, all new stones. The garage has been painted, we've added a gate. So inside the front entrance, we've removed part of a wall that was there, and there was a front door, there was a door that went straight into the living room. And then we've added the downstairs loo that we said we was going to add. Which now has storage. These are cupboards, a toilet and a basin. Then the kitchen, which was really bad, has been completely revamped. So we've replaced the boiler, we ripped the kitchen out, ripped up the horrible floor, that tiled floor, and we've laid this nice vinyl all the way through. Replaced the kitchen, added some nice worktops, and also the cupboard that was on the kitchen, we've knocked through and we've turned it into a utility room. So we've now got loads more storage. We've got the washing machine, washer dryer in here, the kettle, and more preparation surface. We've added a dining table and a little breakfast bar as well. And do you remember the back garden? It was completely overgrown. It was dreadful. There was not even fences to the next door neighbour's garden, which we've actually had built fence as well. So that's the ground floor apart from the living room, which I'll come back to show you. I'm going to take you upstairs now. We've got new carpets everywhere. Now the bathroom was very grim. It was horrible. And that's been completely changed. We've actually made the bathroom smaller because the bedroom we knocked the wall down for the bedroom that was to the side of it, and we moved it over to create a bigger master bedroom, which has resulted in a slightly smaller bathroom, but you wouldn't really know. So we completely knocked everything out. We removed that big cupboard that was there and made this more square, and it's had complete new bathroom suite in with rainfall shower, big mirror toilet, vanity unit, and you'd never know that it's actually smaller. So now I'll show you what the bedroom looks like. So this wall was knocked down and moved over, rebuilt with a new frame door and everything to make this bedroom bigger. And this bedroom definitely benefits from being bigger. The old wall came up to about here, so it would have made it really tight. But with this new layout, it makes it much more spacious. And we've also then, as we split the other bedroom in half and we built a corridor, we've managed to get a walk-in wardrobe into this room as well. So now we've got a walk-in wardrobe, loads of storage space, shelves, mirror, and that is the main bedroom. Very nice. Now I'm going to show you the two new bedrooms, which was in that massive room, if you remember. So this one is the smaller of the two. It's been split. I'm actually using it as an office at the moment because we don't need 3 bedrooms. So yeah, we've built a wall up. That's still the old door, but it's been, obviously all the doors are new and the architraves and stuff. So now this creates just a small bedroom, like a single bedroom. And this is the second of the bedrooms. So this is actually a double room. I'm actually using this one as like an office space as well. Yeah, it's a nice size double, which now makes the whole house a 3-bedroom. It's got a main bathroom and a downstairs loo. We didn't actually get the ensuite in. We decided it was a bit tricky to get the ensuite in, so that's why we decided to turn it into a walk-in wardrobe instead. But yeah, so then it's got a main bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe, a lovely bath, family bathroom, downstairs loo, 3 bedrooms, a kitchen and a utility. So this is what the corridor that we built now looks like. If you remember, there was a big wall there that's been knocked through, and now it's a corridor that leads to the second bedroom of the split big bedroom and the first doorway that was already there. So now I'm going to take you through to the living room, which is the final room. Here we go. What's all these? Stains all over the blind. Look at that. There's slug trails everywhere. It's just rank. Absolutely rank. But, you know me, can't wait to move in.
Lights don't work in the living room at all.
Lights don't work. Oh, some 2 out of 8. 12. 2 out of 12 lights work in the living room, so that's good. Got a big fist. Yeah, that's a fist. Someone punched that. Someone got angry. So this wall is actually new. We've made the living room slightly smaller because we've built a big wall there and managed to get the downstairs loo in and the utility, and then knocked the wall through, put a steel in to make the hallway entrance bit more spacious. So in here, we've built a cupboard. The TV's on like an arm. It just swivels out the way and you can then access the cupboard. And yeah, then it's been fully redecorated, nice feature wall, which that is the feature wall that we went for, and painted everything. New flooring throughout. We've actually got the curtains. So the curtains are, we've got like a voile thing here, and then a secondary curtain, which actually takes up the whole of that window wall. So yeah, that looks pretty smart. So you've kind of got 2 painted walls, 1 feature wall, and 1 curtain wall. And then the massive window board where the cat likes to sleep. So yeah, that's everything. That's the full tour. So yeah, we actually are going to sell the property now. I'm going to stick it on the market, sell it and move. If you like the video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. You are enjoying yourself, aren't you? Tippy! Yes, hello! Tip! Aren't you slim? This is Topsy's weight loss journey. Look how thin she is now. She's lost half her body weight. Tip! Smile for the camera. Tip! Come on. Come on, what's this? What's this? Yeah, so she actually has lost half her body weight. When we first got her, she was 9 kilograms. She was massive. Now, she's 4.5. So, she is thin again. We had to put her on a strict diet when we first got her. But, she's feeling much better now. You're way more athletic now, aren't you? Are you athletic?
I gotta get more. I gotta get more. I gotta move more. I gotta get better. I gotta get more. I gotta get more. I gotta get more. I gotta move more. I gotta get better. I gotta get